Sculpt your body with only 30 push-ups a day. Hey, fitness warriors, welcome back where we turn workouts into works of art. I'm here, and today's video is all about a simple yet powerful challenge. Sculpt your body with only 30 push-ups a day. Before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. A workout that takes just a few minutes of your day, but has the potential to reshape your entire body. That's the magic of 30 push-ups a day. Today, I'm excited to guide you through the incredible benefits of this challenge and how it can sculpt your physique. Let's kick things off with why push-ups are the ultimate sculpting exercise. They engage your chest, shoulders, arms, and core. A full body workout in every sense. And the best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership. Just your determination and the floor beneath you. Now, I know what you might be thinking. 30 push-ups? That sounds intense. Trust me, I've been there. But we're starting with the basics and gradually building up. It's about progress, not perfection. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the challenge, if you're excited about sculpting your body, hit that like button and share this video with a friend who needs a quick and effective workout. Let's spread the power of push-ups. Tip number 1. Consistency is key. Incorporating 30 push-ups into your daily routine is where the magic happens. It's not about doing 100 on day 1. It's about doing them consistently and gradually increasing the intensity. I used to struggle with push-ups, but by incorporating them into my daily routine, I witnessed incredible changes in my upper body strength and overall physique. It's a journey worth taking. Tip number 2. Form over quantity. It's essential to maintain proper form to maximize the effectiveness and avoid injury. Quality reps will yield better results than rushed, improper ones. Before we get into the next set of tips, comment below with your favorite push-up variation or any questions you might have. Your engagement keeps this community thriving. Tip number 3. Listen to your body. Progress at your pace. And if you need to modify, that's perfectly okay. The goal is to challenge yourself while respecting your body's limits. There you have it, the power of sculpting your body with only 30 push-ups a day. Stay tuned for progress updates and more tips to keep you motivated.